What's going on, everybody? Cool stuff to show you right after this. Welcome back, Jerry. 3D. Blah, 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 blah. Welcome back, everybody. Jerry with 3D HP, and I've been working with my laser the last week, and I got some really cool stuff my wife wanted me to print, but let me show you the machines I printed them on. Let's swing over here in the laser room. Here's my haotian HC460. This is a CO2 gantry laser, which has a metal tube. You don't have to deal with any chemicals and water. It is air cooled, beautiful unit. And I'll jump in the back here and I'll show you what the tube looks like. It does not have a glass tube. Let me show you this. It's got a metal tube. It is air cooled, no liquid involved. There's no glass tube. Very cool. Check that baby out. Amazing. Beautiful. That's the engine of the machine. Back to the video. But back here, looking at the front of it, the build volume, I believe it's like 16 by 24, something like that. So if you have any projects that you want to cut out that are larger than what you can do on your diode laser, you can do them on this. If it's real thick material, this might be the perfect choice for you. If you have clear acrylic, you have to use a CO2 gantry laser. You cannot cut clear on a diode laser, only colored acrylic. So this might be the choice for you. And here's my rep right there. There's Pascal Lou. Hello, Pascal. Whenever I need advice, I just talk to him right there. Or I go on the internet, or I talk to my friends. Anyway, then turning around here, here's my LaserMatic Mark II. If you want to do really fine, intricate, detailed work on a diode laser, this is a machine for you. They got a Galvomatic they're coming out with. They got their XW, but you might want a really killer, awesome diode laser. This would be your choice right here. It's built like a tank. Very commercial, very well built, very heavy duty. And we're not talking about the fiber laser today, but that's an amazing unit also. So anyway, let's jump in and I'll show you what I made for my wife. Let's go back over here. Coming back into the messy hobby room that I have. If you guys watch me every Saturday, 12 p.m. Pacific, I have the Jerry Show on where Jerry himself comes on live on YouTube and Twitch. And I have makers on from all over the world. And we talk about 3D printing and lasers and CNCs. And we talk about food. And just a little bit of anything and everything. But my wife's like, hey, my friend Al over at Kilroy's. I'll put his link right here on the screen below in chat. He's been working with some really cool projects, and I got this idea from him. He's like, hey, go check out freelaserfiles.com. And I did. And we got a marble run. Check it out. This was done on my CO2 gantry laser. I cut all this out in Baltic birch, 3mm Baltic birch. But I have a problem. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat things and show you how things are when they're perfect. They're not perfect right now. I have a break right here. When I put these sections together, I had a gap, I glued it, and then it broke on me. The crank does work. It turns as it should with one hand. I bought marbles. I bought 500 marbles. Guess what? They want ball bearings with this. But for giggles, I can show you right now that it kind of does work. They come around. They're kind of getting stuck here. I got to do a little work on it. Then they go down, they roll around here, and then you start over. I got too many ball bearings in there. But it's very cool. It's a free file at freelaserfiles.com. We will check out their website here in 1 second. But yeah, they got a lot of really cool stuff that you can cut out. Buy your material on Amazon or your favorite craft store. I'm using 3mm Baltic birch. There's a lot of different types of materials you can use. And then my wife's looking around and said, wow, that's a really cool lamp. Why don't you make that for your wife? It's like, okay, I did. So now she's going to have this for a nightlight. It's 18 inches tall, about. It's a jellyfish lamp. I painted it white when I got done. I let her choose out the paint on what I did have on hand. And I had some blue. So I went over, kind of shot it with some blue. I didn't try to get it perfect. I want it to be kind of rustic, a little blue and white. See, it's not done perfect. I didn't want it that way. But I felt I had too much blue overspray down here on the legs. So I lightly touched it up with a little bit of white. This bottom is left where you can put a piece in here and fill it in. You can resin fill it because it has these lips on the inner and outer. But my wife had these really cool colored stones that are killer They're flat on one side, so we laid them in there, lined them up. They're not glued down in case you want to choose it, in case you want to change them out. I got on Amazon. I got a cord. Got a switch on the socket there. I have some colored light bulbs coming in the mail. This one is clear. It's a little bright in there. Any low wattage bulb will work fine. It just clips in. And like I say, we got colored ones coming in the mail, or you can put a remote. You can buy one of those remote bulbs. It's got the little keypad. You can change all kinds of colors. It does all kinds of disco effects or whatever you want to do if you want to have a party or, you know, have it in the bedroom, wherever. But yeah, it came out really good. It came out amazing. Let's jump over to the website and we'll get it all checked out. Okay, let's check out freelaserfiles.com. Okay, we're on the main page here. Let's see, we agree to enter the site. Let's ignore all that advertisement stuff. Continue to files. I'm going to show you some of the stuff here. Talks about their Patreon, different materials you might need. And here is some of the different files. Here's a marble maze. One of my friends, Paul, made this a while back. I haven't clicked on it to see what's involved, other than a marble goes in the top. And I guess you got to tilt it and try to figure out how to get down through each level to get your ball bearing or marble out the bottom on the marble maze. And here's one like I made right here. And mine's a little different, but this is similar. And they got different pages you can click on for different files and different builds. Give you some ideas of different things. And there's the one that I have right there. But they got a lot of cool stuff here. I don't know how often they add, but they do have a lot of cool stuff here. You go through, click. And in every one of their files, when you download it, it has an assembly video that shows you in detail on a YouTube video. There's a link inside the file here. Watching it step by step, just pause it and, you know, get everything printed out on your laser. Whether you know, whatever type of material you choose to use. They've got recommendations at the beginning of the videos. There's a jellyfish lamp there that I made for my wife. But lots of cool stuff here, guys. I thought you'd like to check it out. freelaserfiles.com. Well, that's about it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Thanks to all my channel subscribers and channel members over on YouTube. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. Please leave me a comment below. Give me a thumbs up. Go check out Al's page. You'll have a link to it down below. The man that referred me to all this amazing stuff. Check it out down below in the description. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, you have an awesome day. Later.